Hi friends, welcome back. Now it's mango season and I thought of making mango pickle, North Indian style mango pickle. It's so delicious and easy to make. It'll stay good for years together. We have to just make it carefully. We'll see how to make this delicious pickle and also steps to be taken so that it stays for years together. Here I have taken 1.5 kg of medium sized mango and I am cutting it through the seed. You can cut it however you like. I prefer to have it like this for this pickle. So, although it is a little difficult to cut it like this, I am trying to cut it like this only. The mangoes are properly washed and dried. There should not be any water on the mangoes. Now we'll cut it into small pieces like this. Now I have cut all the mangoes into small pieces. Now into this we'll add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 2 teaspoons of salt. Mix it well and we'll allow this to rest for about 4 to 5 hours. We can mix it and keep it aside overnight also. After 4 to 5 hours, the mango will release its water and now we have to remove the mangoes from the water and we'll discard this water and dry the mangoes in sun for about 5 to 6 hours. You can also dry it under fan. It is better to dry under the sun. Now the mangoes are dry. Now let us heat 350 ml of mustard oil. Heat it till it starts smoking and then we'll switch off the flame and allow the oil to cool down. Only after the oil is well cooled, it should be used in the pickle. Now let us see the other ingredients. Here I have taken fenugreek seeds, 3 tablespoons. Fennel seeds or saunf, 5 tablespoons. 6 tablespoons of yellow mustard. Instead of this, we can use whole black mustard also. Kalonji or onion seeds, 2 tablespoons. Ajwain or carom seeds, 2 tablespoons. Here I have taken 75 grams of red chili powder, Kashmiri chili powder. It can be taken according to your taste. And then 2 tablespoons of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of asafoetida and around 200 grams of salt. Now we'll roast each of the ingredients separately. This is to remove the moisture if any in it. This should be roasted only for 1 or 2 minutes till it is just hot. All the ingredients are to be roasted separately. I have also roasted the kalonji and ajwain, chili powder, and the turmeric powder also, and also the asafoetida. Now we'll coarsely powder the fennel seeds and fenugreek seeds, and if you're using whole mustard, that also should be coarsely grinded along with this. We'll also add the other ingredients, kalonji, ajwain. Now we'll add the chili powder. All the ingredients have to be roasted so that there is no moisture left in it. Mix it well. Add the salt also. You can add 180 grams of salt first and then check the taste and add if required. We'll mix all this together. Into this we'll add the cooled mustard oil. The pickle tastes best with mustard oil. You can also use gingerly oil. Mix it well and into this we'll add the sun-dried mangoes and mix it well. We'll mix this well and keep it for 4 to 5 days, mixing in between. We can also keep it in the sun for 4 to 5 days. After 3 to 4 days, the oil will start coming out. After 2 to 3 days, the oil has separated. Now we'll transfer this into bottles. While filling the bottle, the pickle should be tightly packed inside so that there is no air space in between. There should not be any air space in between. Just press it down like this and then store it. There should be oil floating on top. If there is not enough oil, we can just heat up some oil, cool it and then pour it into the pickle. Steps to be followed for pickle to stay longer is the oil should be heated and cooled properly. All the spices should be roasted for 2 minutes so that there is no moisture, and the pickle should have oil floating on top. The mangoes or the masala should not come over the oil. And when we take the pickles, we should use only dry spoon, and we should remove some pickle into a smaller bottle for regular use and keep the bigger bottle aside untouched. It is better to start using the pickle after 1 month so that the mango soaks in the flavors of all the spices and the flavor of the pickle is enhanced. The flavor of the pickle increases with time, so the longer you keep, it would be the better. If you like the recipe, please do try it out and let me know how it turns out. Thank you for watching. Take care. Stay safe. Bye.